Hey, hello, welcome to Cloudy. If you're on this page, it means you have not set up your Amazon Web Service account yet. And this is crucial and very important before you start sending emails with Cloudy. So the first step is to create your account. To do that, you have to go to AWS at amazon.com and you will see a page something like this. So what you should do on the top right, click on the button. You come to this page. So what we're gonna do is, in my case, I'm gonna create with this email, but you have to use your own email, whatever the email is you want. In this case, if you already have an account, you can log in, but right now, most of you don't have an account, so we create a new user. Here, in our case, we're gonna put our name. You can put your company name, it's up to you. And here you have to repeat the same email. Let's do that. And you have to put your password. Let's do that as well. Here. And click on the create account button. It will take you to this page. You can create a company account if you want, or you can create a personal, depending on your need. In our case, we just create a company account. Full name, let's see, Cloudy. We are based in Denmark. In your case, you have to just go with whatever it makes sense to you. City is Aarhus. State is also Aarhus. Postal code is 8380. Okay, here you have to put your phone number because you will need to use it since we did that. Here you have to put the security code to make sure you're not a bot. I believe it's something like this. Sometimes it happens, you get it wrong, you can click on this refresh image to get to the new one. You have to agree and click. Here you have to put your credit card number. Amazon will ask you to put your credit card number to verify you. They do not take any charge money. You just verify it, so you can go ahead and put your number. So let me do that as well right here. 2074 84 73. So this step is very important. Once after you have put your card, you come to this page. The purpose of this page is Amazon needs to verify you by calling your number. So you have to give your mobile number here, like I did here. And again, you have to make sure you have put the same security image to prove you're not a bot or something. So at this time, you have to keep your phone close to you. Click on this button and they will call you. So right now Amazon is calling me and I have to verify this number on the phone. So as soon as you type the number, once the call is, they will verify your account. Then you can go ahead and choose a support plan. Since you're using Cloudy, you don't need any support. You just have to do the basic, which is free. And click on continue. Let's wait a second. Oh yeah. So we go top right up. We click on the complete sign up. That should complete our sign up and you should be able to log into your account, hopefully. Yes. Now I will log in. Here's something you should keep in mind. Try to, on the top right, try to change, it will ask you to change your region to make sure it's Ireland. You can choose any region, but it's better to Ireland because our servers are based in Europe. in this region. So if you choose the same region, it's the best, it's preferable. So next step is we signed up for simple email service. You can either type SES, you will get this, and you click. This is what you are faced with once you create your account. One thing you have to know about Amazon Simple Email Service is when you create your account, you are by default, as you can read here, you will be in a sandbox. So first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna request sending limit increase because you want to send emails. So this is what we're gonna do. You can have to click on this blue button, and what we do is, just a second, I'm getting some messages, we don't want to disturb them. Okay, so here what we are doing is we're trying to appeal to Amazon to take us out of the sandbox. So make sure you select the middle, service limit increase, and the first one, sending limits. We want to increase the sending limits. Here you choose again the same region, Ireland, and limit daily sending desired data sending quota, right? So imagine you have a list of 5,000, right? Then you have to, this is not monthly, this is daily. Then ask for double the amount because your list keeps increasing. The good thing with Amazon is you can start with this 10, but as you perform better, what they will do is they will increase you automatically. So if you have a 5, we always advise people to double their, whatever the list is. In our case, we ask for 50,000. We were asking Amazon to let us send 50,000 emails a day. We add another request, which is in the same region, but this time we choose the maximum send rate. So this is the number of emails you can send per second. In this case, we say we are applying for 100 per second, which is, it's a good range. Here, depending on what you use Cloudy for, you can choose what kind of email you want to send. And most of the time, it's marketing emails, which is you send to your listeners or readers, weekly emails. This is what we're going to choose as well. Here, you have to show your URL. In our case, it's cloudy.email. But in your case, you should use your own website. So, because it will help Amazon to go and check, what you do, and it also affects if you approve it or not. Most of the time, it is. You just have to put your website. So next thing is you have to agree. Amazon's sending policies, you have to read them. Since I've already read them, I'm not going to read again, but I encourage you to read. In a nutshell, what they are trying to tell you is do not buy or sell this, do not send spam emails, only send to those people who actually actively requested email from you. Most of the time it's either signed up on your website, or these are your customers who actually said okay to receive emails, right? Again, as you can see, they are confirming you are sending emails only to people who really want. And here, what you're asking is if you have a process to, because once you send emails, sometimes you get complaints, sometimes you get bounces, right? So in this case, you just use yes because you're using Cloudy, luckily, and we automatically took care of those things. We'll come to that back in a bit later, but we'll automatically do that. You don't have to worry about it. In this case, you can write something like, hello, AWS team. We're gonna write or you can say, just put your website. In our case, is an email marketing software. We want to send, for example, weekly emails to our 50,000, subscribers. Subscribers. Let us thank you. Usually they reply within 24 hours. Most of the time it's approved, unless you don't have a website, or I don't know. Most of the time they approve pretty fast. We are happy with their service so far. And just click the web and click submit. So what really happens now is Amazon is gonna look into your account and they will get back to you in 24 hours. Meanwhile, what we're gonna do is something important. So you click on this cube on the top left again. You come to this page and search for something called SNS, Push Notification Service. Sorry, not this one. I think it's something called IAM. So what we are doing now is we're giving access, programmatic access to Cloudy to set up something so you're ready from your account to send via Cloudy. So the first thing is we go to policies, click the policies and click this blue button, create a policy. From here you have to choose the last one, which is create your own policy. Here you can say Cloudy. In this one, you have to, we will provide just below this video, what you're watching, will provide a template which you have to copy and paste. In my case, it is ready. Hopefully it should be somewhere here. This is the code. I'm gonna copy here, and I say create policy. That's it. It's done. The next step is creating a user. Add user, the same name, just give the same name, Cloudy. And as you can see, we're getting a programmatic access. So what actually you are doing is you're getting a programmatic access to manage the sending email part from your account. And on this page, you have to do existing policy. As you remember, we created the previous step. And you click this box. You have to come here, review, and create user. That's it. So one thing to remember is here, so if you remember in the previous step, right, when we started, you need two things, access key ID and the secret key ID. And in this case, these are the access key ID and the secret key ID. As you can see, you have to copy the first one and paste it here. And the next one, I'm going to copy the next one. It's here, sorry. You should copy show. It's not selected. You can Control C or Command C, depending on if you're on Windows or Mac. So you do this part and click on Save. At this point, your job is done. And if you have any questions, you can always reach us via chat on our website. And as long as you clicked on the Save, since it's a test mode right now, we don't have this button, but you will see this button will be there. You click on it. From there, it may take up to 24 hours. Your account gets approved by Amazon. And here on the left side, we'll update you how many you can send per day and how many you can send per second. From there on, you'll be able to send. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions, you can always reach us with hello@Cloudy email, or you can chat with us on our website. Thank you for your attention and see you on the other side. Thank you. Bye-bye.